So we just made it to this beautiful house and see this Rover, and it's black, so we get to play with a black Range Rover. And I don't think that it's been detailed before. So we just got done doing a light paint correction and also just topped it off with Swiss Vax. Nothing better than the best, and as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. The vehicle was already pretty before, but what we did is just, we just made it look better. Made it look exquisite. Be sure to like and subscribe. This pretty much wraps up for today. We'll hit you with another vlog tomorrow. And be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications of videos just like this. And if you're interested in booking an appointment to have whatever you have detailed, wherever you are in the Southeast, please contact 800-292-2341 or Exquisitemad or Exquisitemad.com.